Randy.
Yes, sir.
First, the tape we have listened to
Yes.
is not the tape which has been in discussion for about 3 days or 3 days prior to the release of this particular tape. All of us had believed that the tape recording that was done in the house of a Supreme Court judge. As it turns out, this tape recording is of a conversation between the Attorney General and the third accused person, Richard Jakpa, in the morning, before 7:30 in the morning. And from the conversation, it is clear that the Attorney General placed this call. And this is a day before Jakpa was supposed to give evidence in court. You understand? Now, again, from this tape recording the conversations, it is clear that the claim that the Attorney General was set up, and that he was more or less lured to the house of a Supreme Court judge and so on, are not true. It is clear. You understand? Now, I'm feeling sick already. I mean, to be quite honest with you, I'm really feeling sick. I'm really feeling sick. Now, after this, how can anybody have confidence in the system that we run today? After this, I'm so embarrassed. I'm ashamed. Look, for the Attorney General to call an accused person and to tell the accused person that, look, I'm going to travel. I don't want to be in court. So you, the accused person, get a fake medical report, present it to the court so that the trial will not come on and I'll have the opportunity to travel. My goodness. Forget the ambulance case. Forget everything else and concentrate on this one. Where would this be tolerated? Where in the world would this be tolerated? Who in his right conscience can defend this? I don't know what to say. This is it's so mind-boggling. And then the accused person turns around and tells the Attorney General that, oh, if you can get the fake medical report, go and get it for me. And then the accused person tells the Attorney General that, look, I don't want to destroy my image. And so, unbelievable. Now, why have we been trying to throw some Supreme Court judge under the bus? Because this has nothing to do with the Supreme Court judge. This was not recorded in the house of the Supreme Court judge.
This is a telephone conversation.
This is a telephone conversation. Had nothing. And then
between two people.
And then in this telephone conversation, Randy, the striking thing is that the two of them, that is the accused person and the Attorney General, agree that they will meet in the Supreme Court judge's house. Or that there have been meetings in the Supreme Court.
Yeah, I think he referred to meetings.
Meetings.
Yes.
And that the meetings will continue. And yet we have a situation in which we are being told that the Attorney General went to the Supreme Court judge's house not knowing that Jakpa was going to appear and that he was trapped. How could he have been trapped? You see, those who make public commentary, one thing they should never assume is that all of us are stupid idiots. They shouldn't assume that.